This is Andri, your Millennial banker. So I want to talk to you about something very interesting that happened today. So a client called me and said, "Hey, I've got a hole in my check. What's going on? What can I do? How do I free up this check where I can use the money?" So I've got a quick video here, a couple of minutes. Please stick around and find out how to get rid of that hold on your check. So first thing you got to do is look and bring up an image of that check. What you're going to find on there, and what do I mean by this? Log in on your online or on your phone app, bring up the little PDF file of that check and look at the bank that's written on that check. Now, Google a local branch, a local center, phone number, what have you, that you can reach out and talk to a representative in that bank. Now, what you're going to do is you need the date on the check number, and who it was written to. Obviously, if it was written to you or your company, then you know that. So now you ask for someone that deals with this day-to-day banking that you get a hold of. So if you call a branch, it's pretty much everyone there. If someone's busy, then obviously you ask for like a manager or system manager or whatnot. And this is what you say to them: Mr. Manager, Mr. Assistant Manager, Mrs. Manager, my name is such and such. I received the check. My bank is holding on it because they can't verify it. Can you please help? They might say yes, they might say no. Most of the time they're going to say yes. Who is it made from? So you read the bottom two numbers. You've got a routing number, you've got an account number, and then who it's made from is either a business or another person. You don't need any balance information, anything like that. All you are looking to do is to see if that check has cleared that bank. So this is the reason why your check is on hold at your bank, due to the fact that your bank could not verify electronically, or as soon as you want it to. It takes at least a night. That's the minimum. So if you're making a deposit today, forget about having that money available today unless you have a bunch of money in your account. If you don't, then you've got at least minimum wait a day. So as you're talking to this person, they're going to ask for the check name, the check number, the date, who it's made out to, the account number. Once you provide that information, they'll say yes or no. If they do say yes, what you need to do, Mr. Manager, Mr. Such and Such, Mrs., thank you so much for your help. If you don't mind, I'm going to call my bank. I will ask and provide them your information and ask them to call you. Once you call them, can you please just verify the same information that you verified with me? Thank you so much. Goodbye. Then you call your bank, local. Don't call the 800 number. Give them that information. Have them call the other bank. They will verify. And some banks have policies where they can make, as long as they verify with the other paying bank representative over the phone, they can make your money available pretty much that day. It may not be instant, depending upon their system, software, what have you, but they will make and should make that money available. Now, You may ask yourself, well, why do I have to do something? Why do I have to get involved? Why can't they just get this done? Why is it on hold? Why? Well, they have every right to. Banks, hold your check. One is if the average balance in your account is $50 and you just so happen to deposit a $5,000 bank check in your bank account, well, they don't know if it's good. There's a lot of check fraud that goes on. There might be a situation with the paying bank. There is one system called Check 21, and there's a lot of banks that use kind of this system to communicate amongst each other. And if there's history of the person that's writing and giving you the check of writing bad checks, well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please leave a comment down below. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If it helped you out, please let me know if I can help with any other kind of scenarios, questions that you might have regarding finances, banking, money management. With that, Andriy, Millennial Banker.